Welcome friends. In this video we shall talk about Apaan Mudra. This mudra cures all problems related to stomach and urinary tract. Specifically it cures hiccups, impotency, piles and diabetes. This mudra detoxifies the body. It fixes stomach disorders and all urinary tract related infections. It cures high blood pressure. All menstrual related problems are cured by this Apaan Mudra. Also, it fixes toothaches and gum disease. This mudra is found by joining together the tips of the thumb, the middle finger and the ring finger. And while we do this, we should keep the other two fingers straight and upright as shown in the photograph here. This mudra signifies the union of fire, space and earth elements. This mudra is made up of Akash Mudra and Prithvi Mudra. Therefore, Apan Mudra alone gives the benefits of Akash Mudra and Prithvi Mudras together.